So we've just been wandering, exploring, looking at coral that's washed up, shells that have washed up, a shipwreck, and I should have filmed the shipwreck because, well, what was left of it. Amazingly, all of the bits and pieces like the chain and that have all rusted away to the point that they're being swallowed up by the rock that surrounds them. They're becoming part of the natural landscape. It's kind of, I wish I'd filmed it. I took some photos. But yeah, we found all sorts of things here. Very interesting. All the ships way out there waiting to come into the port. Big loading dock around the back there. Port facilities. Point Sampson.